In modern society, who controls information rules the world. Uconsystem, Korea's representative company of information acquisition, analysis, and transmission, specializes in integrated surveillance and reconnaissance system. Uconsystem promises to look out for the Korean industry and defense independence, and a passion for technology and pride in our products. Uconsystem independently developed the core technologies of UAV integration, information transmission, and real-time remote control area based on its own technological infra. Uconsystem has concentrated its technological power on intelligence acquisition systems with the goal of becoming a worldwide enterprise in this area. Now, Uconsystem is jumping up to a core company in the integrated surveillance and reconnaissance system, which is up and coming in future information acquisition areas. Uconsystem has localized the products of unmanned airships, small UAVs, unmanned helicopters, network transmission equipment, navigation units, and ground control stations, and incessant research and development for 20 years. And now these products are the core elements of our integrated surveillance and reconnaissance system. These technological records of Uconsystem have brought opportunities to attract recognition from overseas countries, and Uconsystem could provide UAV ground control stations for UAE Air Force. This is the first time Korea has exported UAV equipment and exports of more than $10 million. Uconsystem has constantly endeavored to develop integration technologies of various UAVs since its establishment in 2001. The features of Uconsystem UAVs are as follows. Remo I-002 is a small UAV of 2 kilogram takeoff weight. It's hand-launched and can be recovered in a small area, so its operability has been proved in Korean mountainous terrains. Remo I-006 is currently in service for the Korean military and for dispatched troops in overseas countries. Its endurance has been upgraded to 2 hours, and it provides convenient field operation with the functions of bungee launch, belly landing, or automatic parachute recovery. Besides, a 70-centimeter sized micro UAV that can be easily operated by a single person and a quadricopter has also been developed. Since it can be operated safely in a busy urban area, commercial applications such as fire monitoring are expected with a camera installed. A tactical unmanned airship operated above ground level between 1 to 2 kilometers with a connected wire is equipment co-developed with Korea Aerospace Research Institute, which could stay over 14 days, day and night, loaded with radar and day and night time camera conducting continuous surveillance and reconnaissance missions. This system, which only Uconsystem could supply in Korea, could be used not for only military use, but also civil use such as main public facilities, seashore and forest surveillance, as it needs relatively low maintenance for its long endurance and continuous surveillance. Also, Uconsystem possesses the core technology in robot field, such as UAV. Especially the self-developed MEMS integrated navigation unit is precision guiding equipment, which is a cutting-edge core electronic device export-controlled by advanced countries. The MEMS INU controls the attitude, position, altitude, and speed of guided weapons, aircraft, spaceships, and vessels by being installed inside them and leading them to their target or destination. Uconsystem has developed network information transmission equipment, which can compress received video and information data into digital in real time on the battlefield. It is an information transmission system which transmits the received information through wire and wireless networks, then restores and displays them. It is also possible to operate by integrating with various transmission systems such as military C-41 system on normal wire and wireless network systems. Currently, uconsystem has supplied the information transmission equipment to our military, which is deployed and being operated by them, as the equipment simultaneously connects from the West Sea area to all over the nation like Daejeon and Busan, transmitting real-time information in full duplex. It is acknowledged by the Korean military as practical and excellent equipment. The real-time remote control is one of uconsystem's main products, which could remotely control unmanned systems including UAVs. uconsystem has self-developed core control technology for a long time, which advanced countries avoid to transfer their technology by developing equipment with advanced features and reliability, adding 3D digital map display and IT technology. We have achieved the splendid feat of full support for the Korean UAV development projects and exporting to the Middle East for the nation's first time. Domestic uconsystem participates on most of the UAV GCS developing projects such as the Middle Altitude UAV project and Smart UAV projects with National Research Institution such as Agency for Defense Development and Korea Aerospace Research Institute, also as private enterprises. He who controls information rules the world. In the future, who collects, transmits, and analyzes information decides the outcome of the game. In the current situation, utilization of unmanned systems to acquire information is essential. Now we are ambitiously presenting uconsystem's integrated surveillance and reconnaissance system, which organically combine the unmanned system running in the sky, land, and sea, the network system connecting them like a spider web, and the control system managing all of these systems. Our integrated surveillance and reconnaissance systems will become the center of unmanned surveillance system development, with all the aerial surveillance systems, such as long-endurance surveillance airships, unmanned helicopters that can automatically take off, land in mountainous areas, a high-resolution camera loaded for vertical takeoff and landing quadrotor, and a UAV with a camera that can be used day or night, and with all the surveillance sensor system, such as surveillance cameras for security area 24 hours and UGVs for explosive bomb removal and surveillance and reconnaissance on the ground, transmits all kinds of video and information data collected by the unmanned systems through network to the Master Control Center, and in the Master Control Center, the received video and information data can be compressed digitally and be sent to all regions in real time by wire and wireless network. uconsystem, in the meantime, will procure the position as a forerunner in the area of integrated surveillance and reconnaissance systems with the accumulated experience and technology in the unmanned systems area. The wings traverse the blue sky, filled with hopes and dreams, will again fly toward the global integrated surveillance and reconnaissance systems area. The global company, uconsystem. Differentiated technical skill, pride of our product. Our wings fly beyond yesterday and today, and for tomorrow. uconsystem. Thank you.